Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for joining me for a few minutes on my media channel. And today we are doing an unboxing little discussion of this movie, A Haunting in Venice. This is the third film in Kenneth Branagh's Hercule Poirot series, and unfortunately, if the box office says anything, it might be the last of Kenneth Branagh's Hercule Poirot movies. Although I do say, they do seem to make enough money where it's like if they can make it for $20 million cheaper, they could have a nice little hit on their hands. Now, some of you may be asking, okay, so what's special about this? Why are we doing unboxings? Is this a steelbook? Is this an exclusive? The answer is it's not really either of them. It's just, this is kind of a, what the heck, I have it. I haven't opened it. Let's open it together. And a little bit of recommendation because, this movie did so poorly. Well, I wouldn't say so poorly. I think it technically broke even, but it did so little enough business that we're only getting it on Blu-ray. We're not getting it in 4K. The previous two were in 4K. So yeah, that's a little annoying, unfortunately, especially since I have the other two. But that being said, I'm still going to get it because it's part of a series and I do like the movie. And I guess the cover really did strike out. This is something that new releases do for the first shipment. They'll do these cardboard covers and they really look as nice as this. This is quite shiny. I like it. I like how they have Pior over there, and on the back it's appropriately dark. I love the Disney Movie Insiders thing, even though this is really not a Disney friendly film, if you will. It's a 20th Century Fox film, or 20th Century Studios, I should say. And when you take the cover off, it really highlights just how nice these slip covers can make the packaging look. So let's just briefly open this real quick. I can almost guarantee you there's not going to be much to look at inside, but on the other hand, why not? Let's just open it just to see what it's like, because also who knows how long this will be in print, because it didn't do that great. I mean, I think it technically broke even, but movie studios are not in the business of breaking even. So, it's actually kind of hard to remove this. This was wrapped pretty squarely. So there is a digital code. I'm going to take it out, but as you can see, nothing too special, just the Blu-ray disc. There's no DVD, blue background. So that's A Haunting in Venice on Blu-ray. So now it is worth watching, I will say, especially if you like those little whodunits. This one kind of does a little horror spin on the whodunit genre, and I think this is probably the second best of the three. The best one's still Murder on the Orient Express, but there you have it. So I know this release has some controversy because, again, it's not on 4K, and we'd like it to be on 4K, but it just didn't do that great at the box office, so they released it on DVD only, and I'll buy it because, hey, it's a good entry in the series. I like the series, and if nothing else, I'm contributing to hopefully a fourth entry, although that's looking a little unlikely at this point. So anyway, just wanted to do that one real quick. Why not? What did you think? Did you get this? Are you going to get it? We're going to try to import it because I think there is a 4K import. We'd love to know. Comment below. Like, favorite, share, subscribe. And as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.